everybody, it is Erin from Erin Makes, and welcome to our family traditions. This video is all about our fun family traditions that we have during the holidays, including coming up here and selling Christmas trees every year to help support our local scouts. If you missed that video, make sure you go check it out. Also, we do a Christmas parade with our community. We make handmade gifts for our friends, families, neighbors, and co-workers. We had breakfast with Santa, and a new one I hope sticks around is we did a Snowman scavenger hunt. We also went to both of my son's Christmas concerts. My youngest just started playing, so it's his very first concert, and my oldest, it's the first Christmas concert they've had in 2 years. I'd love to know what some of your Christmas traditions are. Leave a comment down below. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by Xyron and Maker's Movement. More about these amazing companies later in the video. We are on our way with our local parade. We're with the Girl Scouts, and we are going to have a ton of fun throwing candy and being part of the Festival of Lights. So let's join the parade. So the hardest part about doing a parade is waiting your turn. That's what we're doing. We are waiting our turn along with all of those people that are waiting to go. So we just have to wait, and then we will get to start our parade, right? Are you excited? And what do we get to do? We get to throw
candy.
Pretty good. All right, be more excited. Candy. She's like, candy. So we get to throw candy. Well, kind of throwing candy. We haven't quite figured that one out. I think we have to gently
hand them and hand it out.
We could like gently hand it out? We haven't quite figured that out. Let's go, Flasher. So we've started the parade. We're walking. We are a walking group, but we're behind some floats. We've been intermixed between the different floats, and there is a ton of people that are along our parade route. It is loud. There's music. Everybody's having a ton of fun. So I am the official candy bag holder with the backpack on my back. So the girls are reaching in, grabbing candy, and passing it out to all the bystanders. And that is a wrap. Our parade is officially over. This is something we've done. How many years have we done this now? It's our 4th year doing the parade. This is one of our traditions that we like to do with either Cub Scouts or the Girl Scouts. We do the parade here in our town. It's a ton of fun. We have a lot of people that come out and watch, and it's just a kickoff to Christmas. This video is all about Christmas traditions, and this is a new one I hope sticks around for a little while. The elementary school that all my kids have gone to and Catherine is currently in is hosting a Snowman scavenger hunt. So what are we looking for at each of the houses?
Snowman.
So there's barcodes on every one of the snowmen. So we've gotten some clues that tell us like what streets that we're going to go on. So we're going to head the streets and we're going to be searching for the snowmen. There's 14 snowmen, so we get a prize if we can find them all or find at least 12 of them before 9 o'clock tonight. So we have between 6 and 9. Let's go find the snowman! So we're on our way to find our first clue, and we looked out and we happened to see a little snowman, and yep, it was one of the ones on the list. So we grabbed the barcode and we got our first snowman checked off.
Alright, so
next clue is what?
The next pick is top pick. You can find me just off the street, named for the device that turned wind power into energy. Our place is the enchanted land of snow. I am tall and big. I come alive on Christmas Eve.
So what road do you think it's going to be?
To Windmill Ranch we go!
So we couldn't find one clue. We looked up and down everywhere for a third clue. We thought it was Nutcracker, who comes alive on Christmas Eve. Anybody have an idea what that is? I don't know. We thought Nutcracker. We thought, what, Frosty?
Frosty.
And then we also thought maybe
Santa,
reindeer. But nothing was there. So we're skipping it. We're moving along. And now we are on moving water because that was our clue. And the clue was also what? I like to hang out with these playful creatures who like the cold as much as I do.
Penguins or otters.
But otters isn't Christmas.
Yeah.
So you guys both said what?
Penguin.
Penguins. So we're gonna go with penguins. Let's see what we can find. We found our clue with the polar bear and penguins and scanned the barcode.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Just got done with this one, on to the next one.
So we've had the hardest time trying to find this one clue, which the clue was penguins. And it was on this road. We found the right road. This is the penguins, and we've been searching up and down and up and down. There's penguins. They're obviously there. So we're searching. This is like the 3rd time we've come back to this house. And then, what did you find?
I saw it right over there in the corner of my eye, and I'm like, I found it!
Got it.
So part about doing this whole entire thing is also looking at all the beautiful lights in our neighborhood and just take a look at this road. It is awesome.
Time to
Time
go
to
to the
go to the
last
last
one. Let's go.
found our last one. It's the Nutcracker.
Got it. Well, that was the last one.
We got done. We got all 14. We don't know if we were in the top 10 because the top 10 won the prize, but the official time that we finished all 14 was 8:22. Part of this whole tradition is going to see all the amazing lights starting in our neighborhood, and we saw some pretty cool lights. So Catherine, what was your favorite lights?
This one is.
Brandon, what was your favorite one?
And this is my favorite. Ta-da!
And my favorite one is this one. So for the past few years, I have made handmade gifts of all different types, including homemade cookies, jams, little hot cocoa packets, kind of similar to what we're doing this year. And links to all those videos are down below. Heads up, they're older videos and they're not the greatest. So tomorrow, my daughter and I are headed out to Target to pick up all the supplies we need to make our hot cocoa mugs, and I can't wait because they're gonna be so yummy. So we've gotten all of our supplies and we brought it all home and we've set everything out. All right, so the fun toppings we're gonna put on are gonna be marshmallows, candy canes that we unwrapped and Catherine crushed with a mallet. We have peppermint bark, which Catherine, again, unwrapped and smashed with a mallet. Mini M&Ms, holly and berries, large sprinkles, and then we have 3 colors of sprinkles. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, because we're dealing with food, is we're gonna do what?
Our hair.
Hair up, here we go. All right, hair's up. So all we need to do now is melt our baker's chocolate, and then we're gonna dip our spoons and start decorating. Ready to have some fun?
Yes.
All right, let's have some fun. So while our chocolate is in the fridge and getting nice and hard, it is time to start creating the tags to go on the mugs. And I'm using the Maker's Movement die set called Tag Buddies. They're one of the sponsors along with Xyron. So I'm using the Xyron 3-inch sticker maker to hold everything together as I assemble all the cutie Tag Buddies. They just really simple. It's die cut it out, assemble it. The Xyron turns everything into a sticker, which makes life super simple when it comes to all these small little pieces. I also use the Xyron tape runner to hold the larger pieces together, and then it's just a matter of assembling all the little bits of the snowman to turn it into a tag. You can find all the supplies I'm using in these projects down in the information section, including supplies from Xyron and Maker's Movement. I also make the Santa Claus into a tag and then sign it from the Reed family. Now it's just time to put everything together. A couple of packets of hot cocoa inside the mug, along with our chocolate dip spoons wrapped in cellophane, a little candy cane, and the tags, perfect for the teachers. I showed my husband these cutie gifts and he goes, "Oh my God, those are absolutely amazing." And so he said, "Please, can you make a whole bunch more for his work?" So, yep, my daughter and I sat down and my son even got involved and we made over 200 chocolate dip spoons. To make individualized tags with Maker's Movement for 40 more mugs, it was not going to happen. So I went into a program called Canva and made my own little labels, printed them out, and then ran them through the Xyron Creative Station. This is a giant sticker maker that can take full sheets of paper and turn them into stickers. You can cut it up using your paper trimmer or even scissors. It's super easy to peel off the back of my label that I've made, attach it to a bag, and for these ones, we're adding a little bottle of Bailey's Irish Cream to make these adult hot cocoa beverages. We're putting it in a bag just to make it easier for my husband to pass out to work, attach a little ribbon, and it is good to go. These cute gifts are perfect to give to your neighbors, teachers, co-workers, and family. So you can either do it in a mug or you can dress it up in a little bag, whatever suits your purpose, and they're awesome. Another fun tradition we go to is Breakfast with Santa. Our neighborhood puts this on, and it's been a couple of years since we have done this. We have a cookie decorating station, pictures with Santa, breakfast tacos and donuts, and just a chance to kind of hang out with some friends that we haven't seen for a while in our neighborhood. So we're headed off to Brandon's very first, band concert, right?
Winter band concert.
Winter band concert. And what do you play?
Trumpet.
So he plays the trumpet and he's ready to go. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a little nervous.
Very nervous.
He's been practicing and getting ready, and let's go check out the performance. So we're off to another busy night where we're headed to watch my oldest son's band now play his winter concert. So let's head on in and let's hear a couple of sections of his concert. I hope you've enjoyed some of our fun family traditions that we do. Some of them every year and some of them are brand new that we hope will stick around. Don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite family Christmas tradition down in the information section. Check out the videos on either side and like and subscribe. Bye everybody.